In this video, we'll cover what FieldAgent tassel counts are, the steps involved in data collection, import, and processing, and how to use the resulting tassel counts to estimate yield and communicate with growers. Tassel counts with FieldAgent count every plant that has developed a tassel and has the potential of producing full ears. Historically, tassel counts and yield estimation have been done manually. By selecting a few spots per field, collecting a tissue sample, and running those counts through a yield calculator on a notepad. This is both time-consuming and prone to error from a low sample size. FieldAgent directly combats these limitations by quickly delivering an accurate tassel count map of the entire field. So you can streamline your in-field scouting time, accurately forecast crop yields prior to harvest, and make other critical management decisions. Tassel counts require Sentera's double 4K analytics sensor. This sensor has a zoomed-in lens, allowing data collection from 150 feet above ground, which is both safe and efficient. Paired with the Sentera PHX, this sensor allows for up to 1,000 acres of coverage an hour. Timing is also critical for tassel recognition. Luckily, Sentera monitors your fields and notifies you of where and when to capture tassel counts. To enroll fields for notifications, a planting date is required through FieldAgent on the web. Either connect a Climate Field View account to automatically pull in planting data, or enter a planting date under Field Activities in a field page. Growth stage, weather, and disease notifications will also be sent for enrolled fields. Sentera's flight planning tools enable you to quickly and easily plan a flight optimized for collecting a tassel count. With both FieldAgent Mobile and Fly PHX, you'll select your field or plan out a custom flight area and then select the tassel count preset. If you're flying over hilly terrain, we recommend turning on terrain-informed flight planning to safely adjust your altitude throughout the flight. If your flight area is surrounded by obstructions, we recommend using a line flight. This option allows you to plan the exact path you'd like the drone to take when collecting tassel count images. Once the drone completes its flight, you'll offload the data into FieldAgent. Remove the SD card from the sensor and insert it into your computer. If you're importing your images to FieldAgent Desktop, click Create Surveys, and then select the SD card location. The last screen will provide an option for ordering tassel counts on all surveys imported. This requires an internet connection. Analytics can also be ordered on already imported imagery directly from the field page by selecting the analytics icon next to the survey you'd like to process a tassel count on. Make sure to enter the row spacing and seed rate when ordering your tassel count. If you're importing your images to FieldAgent Web, you need to first open the field you flew, then add a map layer and import your images there. Once the images have been uploaded, select Order Analytics to kick off processing. Resulting tassel counts can be viewed as either tassels per acre dots or a full field heat map. Clicking on a dot opens the underlying imagery, allowing you to identify causes of stress or optimal locations for putting boots on the ground. The web imagery also includes a validator box, allowing you to verify tassel count values with the same manual process of years past. Once you've created your tassel count maps, you can add a kernel count to estimate your yield. Decide your sample locations based on the map. Ears should come from areas with a range of tassel values, selecting some from high values, some from middle, and some from lower values. To enter the kernel information to FieldAgent, add a new field activity under your field page. Select your current crop season and choose kernel count from the activity drop-down menu. You can now enter your sample data. We suggest using at least 3 ears, with more ears meaning a more accurate estimate. Press Submit and your estimate is instantly generated. Select your tassel count map layer to open the Details section. You can find your yield estimate here. Choose the kernel count date from the drop-down menu to see the yield estimate based on that sample. By changing how you display your tassel count map in FieldAgent Web or Desktop, you can highlight the important data and control the story of what's happening in the field. Quickly create and share a PDF report that will kickstart a conversation using the report creation tools in FieldAgent on web or desktop. Growing confidence in your abilities to fully understand what's happening in a field. Deliver better outcomes for your customers by leveraging FieldAgent Tassel counts. For support information on features highlighted in this video, see the support site on Sentera.com or check out other videos on our YouTube channel. As always, safe flying.